Let's learn colors today. This is blue. Blue like sky. Blue like ocean. So pretty. Can you find blue? Look. Blue car. Beep beep. Say it with me, kids. Blue. One more time. Blue. Blue is a calm and beautiful color. This is red. Red like apple. Apple is red. Red like strawberry. Strawberry is red too. Can you see red? Look around. Red car. Vroom vroom. Say it with me now. Red. Say it. Red. Red is a beautiful color. Great job. Red is an amazing color. Great job finding blue. Red or blue? Which one is blue? And which one is red? This is red. This is blue. Show me blue. Show me red. Great job.
Hey kids, it's shape time. Let's meet a super fun shape. Ready? Let's go. What shape is this? It's a circle. It's like a car wheel. It's like a ball. It's like a watch. A circle goes round and round. Look closely. Is this a blue circle or a red square? It's not the red square. It's the blue circle. Blue and round on circle. You got it?
Hi babies. Today we learn square. This is a square. Can you say square? Look, square has 4 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is square? Door. Window. Can you find square? Great job. Comment square if your baby found it.
This is a square. It has 4 sides. Now let's sing about squares. 3, 2, 1, go!
This is a square, a square, a square. It has 4 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides. Square, square, everywhere. This is a house, a house made of squares. Square, 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 square house for you and me. Can you draw a square? Square, square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. Square, square, we love square.
Time to play. Let's find the circle. Is it this one? This is a square. Oops, wrong. How about this one? This is the circle. Yes, correct. Great job, kids and mommies. Type circle in the comments if your baby got it right.
Game time babies. Where is the square? Look, circle. Triangle. Rectangle. And square. Can you point the square? No, this is circle. No, triangle. Not rectangle. Yes, this is square. 4 sides. Wow, many squares.
It's time to sing a green song. 3, 2, 1.
Green, green, what do you see? Green leaves on trees.
Sway!
Green, green, what do you see? Green grass so soft.
Touch! Green, green is nature's color. Green, 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 we love green.
Green, green, what do you see? Green frog says ribbit.
Ribbit! Green, green is nature's color. Green, 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 we love green.
Sing it again!
Green, green, green.
Game time, babies. Where is green? Red apple. Blue ball. Yellow sun. Where is green? Can you point? Yes, this is green. Green like leaves. Green like grass. Wow, green leaf, green cup, green car, many green.
Babies, let's hunt green things at home. One, green shirt. Wear green shirt. 2, green cup. Drink from green cup. 3, green car. Vroom, vroom, green car. 4, green leaf. Leaves are green. 5, green book. Read green book. Your turn. Find 3 green things. Comment green heart plus what you found.
Let's learn animal sounds. Woo! Cow says moo moo. Dog says woo woo. Cat says meow meow. Duck says quack quack. Pig says oink oink. Sheep says ba ba. Lion says roar roar. You're so smart. Which sound is funniest? Comment below.
Mommies, what should we learn next for your babies? Comment below. Follow and like eStories for more learnings. See you.